So you want love, but you've never experienced true love. You've never had it before. How do you know what it looks like? I'll tell you what it looks like. How do you know what it feels like if you've never felt it before? Not real love. The love that we often seek in other people is actually the love that we're craving within ourselves. Let me explain. You want unconditional love from somebody else, from a lover, from friends, from people. You want unconditional love from a partner. But yet, you love yourself conditionally. You only love yourself when you're doing everything right, when the reflection that you see in the mirror matches your ideal of perfection, when you have money in the bank, when you have accolades. Your love is conditional. When you're feeling good and high vibrational, when you're feeling upbeat, your love is conditional. Yet you want someone to love you on those rough days when you don't want anything to do with anybody. You want someone to love you even when you gain a little weight, when you get older. You want someone to love you through your building process before you're successful. You want them to love you just as you are, but yet you don't love yourself. The thing about that is, many people actually think that by getting in a relationship, it's somehow going to fill that void. That other people are responsible for your happiness. The truth is, you'll never truly be happy until you're happy with your own life, until you're happy with yourself. Because no matter who comes along, if you can't see you, you're not going to truly see them. So when it comes to love, there's nothing wrong with relationships. They're absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely divine. But make sure that your example for love is based on how you love yourself. Because I'll be honest, many people in this world, they don't know what love is. Think about how many people that don't love themselves. There goes your answer. When you can see your true divinity, your beauty, your awesomeness, I wanted to say your omnipotence, your royalty, your abundance, you are all of these things. You're beautiful. You're divine. You are magical. And you are worthy of unconditional love, not only from others, but from yourself. Because as they say, it starts at home. So if you're looking for love, Look in the mirror. And the more that you love yourself, the easier it will be for you to spot it out in the world and in other people. You set the standard by the way that you love yourself unconditionally. Love every part of you. The good and what you call the bad, all of it. Because if you want somebody else to, then it has to start with you. Peace and love, family.